this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Aldi customer service for online orders. So let's just get straight into the video. This can be done from Instacart. This can be done from your browser as well. So if you're going to do this on Instacart, then all you need to do is simply head into the application, head into your account tab, click on help, and then you can simply go ahead and click on connect with Instacart and have a chat with them about your Aldi order. But the other way you can go ahead and do this is by heading into Safari or any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and searching Aldi customer service, just like that. And once you do that, simply go ahead and click on the first icon right over here, which is going to be contact customer service or customer support. Once you do that, you can simply go ahead and scroll down and then get into chat with them, or you could also search what problem you need help with. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.